removing an M.2 backplane and M.2 drive. Remove the top cover. Press both sides of the M.2 drive retainer. Slide the retainer backward to loosen the M.2 drive from the M.2 adapter. Lift the M.2 drive and pull it away from the connector. Disconnect all the cables from the system board assembly. Remove the air baffle from the server. Remove the screw that secures the middle of the M.2 backplane to the air baffle. Remove the screw that secures the end of the M.2 backplane to the air baffle. Slide the M.2 backplane backward and lift it up from the air baffle. If necessary, unfasten the screw on the signal cable and then remove the M.2 backplane cables from the M.2 backplane.